Today we are going to learn about natural resources. What is a natural resource? Many materials we use every day are natural resources. A natural resource is a material from Earth that is useful for people. Some natural resources are soil, animals, water, the sun, trees, and gas. Let's learn how these are important to us. First, let's talk about soil. Soil is an important natural resource to people. People use soil to grow fruits and vegetables that we eat. Animals like cows are a natural resource. Cows give us milk to drink, beef to eat, and leather to make goods like belts and purses. Water is a natural resource that we use daily. We use water to wash our hands and bodies. We also use it to wash clothes. It is used to water plants. People and animals drink water. The sun is a natural resource that gives us heat, energy, light, and vitamin D. It helps plants grow. Trees are a natural resource that give us wood and paper. Trees also provide us with shade. Gas is a natural resource that we use to heat our homes and make our cars go. So what we learned today about natural resources. Natural resources are materials that we find on the earth. We use natural resources every day and they are important to our life. Can you think of any other natural resources?